Hi guys, Happy New Year. I am doing an unboxing video which is a bit different for my channel, but I brought the iPhone XS for myself as a gift for this year. I'm really excited to do this video and show you what's inside the box. So the first thing is obviously the phone itself, and I went for the gold colour. I love this colour, it's super different to what Apple has done in the past. I thought it would be similar to the iPhone 8, but it's actually not, and I love the side detailing of the gold as well. So in the box there's actually your usual headphones. I looked at these and thought they were AirPods, but unfortunately not, they're just the normal headphones. Then there's a charger as well in there, of course. I've already charged my phone. It's always best to charge it fully before you start using it, and obviously it's got the same plug in there as well. Now moving on to this little pack, it's got a few little bits and bobs in there. So to start with, it's got this little device to put your SIM card into your mobile phone. Also, it's got a couple of leaflets, some Apple stickers, and yeah, I think this is the main kind of leaflet which I will read at some point, but I've had Apple products in the past, so I've got a bit of an idea of what's really included in there. So that's that. And yeah, back to the phone. I literally love it. I'd set it up earlier on today. I couldn't wait to use it. I would have waited for the unboxing, but I just couldn't wait. So yeah, I really, really love it. I love the colour. I love the side detailing as well, which is really, really nice. I love this gold kind of side detailing. I was actually going to get the iPhone X because my sister's got it, but I got a really good deal on this one, and so I decided to go for this. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys would want a comparison video to help you decide which one might be best for you. Also, I really want to buy some cases, so again, let me know if you want a video on those as well and what would be some cheap and ideal cases for this. But without blabbering on any further, I'm going to go, so I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye.